best budget GoPro Enduro batteries and charger. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dan. Today in this video we're going to take a quick look at the TELESIN GoPro Enduro battery alternate charger and alternate batteries. Now I don't have the GoPro Enduro battery, but it's very expensive, so I decided to buy a different brand which is like Enduro but still functions just fine. And I came across the TELESIN GoPro Enduro battery, which is the alternate version, and it's much cheaper. I would say like 30% cheaper than the regular GoPro Enduro battery, but this is just regular GoPro battery. Now it comes with a charging box, so when you open the box you can insert actually 3 batteries, and it has like battery or power meter which would show you how much power is remaining. And in order to charge this, it's very simple. You have to just close this, and you can just attach a charging cable or even a power adapter. So I'm just going to attach this power adapter, and you can see that it's charging. So this is very handy when you're traveling. You can just put it in your backpack, and you can just use batteries and also a portable charger, and you can just keep charging. Now the price is much lower in terms of the whole set. I think I paid it's like $65 Canadian, but from time to time they go on sale, and you can easily save like $10-20 if it's on sale, and it just works fine. So I decided to buy some extra set of batteries and didn't want to spend too much money on GoPro Enduro battery, so I decided to buy the TELESIN alternate version of Enduro batteries. So I'm happy with the product, and this is how the box looks like. And this is not paid or affiliated review. I just wanted to show you how it is. So this is the TELESIN multifunctional battery case and Enduro version battery, which is right here, and it just works fine. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.